Good morning everyone. Thank you for watching Pirates on E-Bike channel. Today we are doing a casual ride. I'm going to show you some of the scenery along my casual riding path today, from Gurney Drive towards Esplanade and downwards when we take our route back to Penang Bridge.
We reach Gurney Drive around 8 AM in the morning. There are light traffic along the path towards Gurney Drive. Riding along the path, the fence facing the seaside has blocked our view. Hopefully, the new project will give a new life to Gurney Drive without increasing the traffic congestion. As we ride along, we are able to see people exercise along the path. Hotel remain empty. We still do not see a lot of visitors. Maybe it is still early in the morning. Reaching the end of Gurney Drive, we decided to stop at the viewing point at Gurney 8 for pictures. We continue our journey by using Jalan Sultan Ahmad Shah. To the local Penang night, Jalan Sultan Ahmad Shah, also being called as Northern Road. Northern Road was originally named after Northern Devon in southwest England. In the old days, Northern Road is the address of choice for the Europeans and later Chinese tycoons who built elegant mansions along the road. As a result, Northern Road was also known as the Millionaires' Road by the locals. Famous tycoons such as Yap Cho Yi, Lo Bun Siu and Lim Lian Teng had built a mansion along this road. At the end of Jalan Sultan Ahmad Shah, we turn into Lebo Fakwa. Located within the city's UNESCO World Heritage Site, the road houses the famous E&O Hotel, which was constructed by the Sakis brothers in the 1880s. On the right will be the extension of Upper Penang Road, famous Party Street. Due to the pandemic, this street has been very quiet. Hopefully, we will see the heyday come back.
You'll see the difference now. If we change it, you'll know how. Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change.
We reached our second destination today, which is at Esplanade. This is where the mini world being exhibited over here. Behind me is Majlis Bandaraya Pulau Pinang. So kind of quiet over here because it's still early in the morning, around 8:30.
We continue our journey towards Beach Street. Along the path, we have passed through Fort Compolis and the Queen Victoria Memorial Clock Tower. Beach Street is a major thoroughfare and part of the central business district in Georgetown Penang. It is also one of the oldest streets in Penang, having been created soon after the founding of Penang by Captain Francis Light in 1786. The concentration of Malaysian and international banks around this street has made Georgetown the financial hub in Penang. Heading towards Jalan Masjid Kapitan Keling, the gem of this road. The Kapitan Keling Mosque is a mosque built in the 19th century by Indian Muslim traders in Georgetown, Penang. Heading towards Armenian Street, which is located at the end of Jalan Masjid Kapitan Keling for our photograph sessions. This is at the heart of the city's UNESCO World Heritage Site. From the UNESCO World Heritage Site, we continue our journey towards the famous Dataran Persiaran Karpal Singh. Karpal Singh Drive is a seafront promenade within the suburb of Jelutong near Georgetown in Penang. It is named after Karpal Singh, a prominent opposition politician and lawyers who hail from Georgetown.
So, our journey ended here with a very nice puncture tire. So if you like my channel, Pirates on E-Bike, don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell and share with your friends.